That brings us to item 9, direct negotiation for the establishment of an artificial intelligence governance and policy framework, including monitoring and accountability mechanisms with NuEnergy Community. Deputy Odoardi, would you like to represent this port, please?
Thank you, and through you, the Chair. This brings together all of our consultations at the PRP level regarding the implementation of technology specifically related to artificial intelligence. Of course, the governance consultations that the board undertook earlier on in the year, our work through the Human Rights Project, our commitment through the recommendations, 13 of them, to implement recommendations related to the procurement, implementation, and adoption of technologies that have artificial intelligence. NuEnergy is an organization that presented to the board a couple meetings ago that is uniquely positioned in Canada to be able to provide governance framework, policy, guidance, monitoring and accountability mechanisms and strategies and education to board officers and community regarding all these aspects. And it would be from a time frame uniquely positioned with the finalization and of the recommendations from the Human Rights Project. Subject to further questions.
Questions, yes. Councillor, Mr. Carby, rather.
Thank you, Chair. Not so much a question, but a comment. And I thank you to Deputy Chief Odoardi, who has led us to this point. This is the culmination of, at least more than 2 years of collaboration with our community to be involved in this conversation around AI and its implementation in policing. And so, as the report highlights, there are intersections between what ARAC work is doing, the Ontario Human Rights Service, and now community partner to provide the kind of oversight. Often we have community consultations, and community members would say, well, you have a consultation, but what becomes of it? And I think this is the fruit of that we're putting in place a community partner to provide that oversight around how AI is implemented in policing. So congratulations and thank you for your leadership, and I'll be happy to move the motion for this.
Thank you. I would only add, and Chief, to you and the Deputy and the whole team, you keep coming back on a point that I emphasize more and what just came out of my mouth one day at Regional Council, the extent to which policing is becoming a technology company. Just the innovations, all the ones that we drive here in Peel, and giving us back the other phrase that I use, a technology dividend. Our NG 911 is just superlative. Like, what a great example of what technology can do and resources. And so it makes us look good in the community, around the council table as well, and to the public that we are innovative and we can show the tangible results of it. Well done, and we carry on. It's been moved by Mr. Carby. All those in favor? That is carried.